Hello, we're going to be replacing a screen on an ASUS model X44H. The version is K84L for those that are interested in that as well. First thing you want to do is make sure it is unplugged. We have no power going to it. Also remove the battery. Set that to the side. There are two rubber bumpers at the bottom of the screen. You want to take a small screwdriver, or maybe your fingernails can do it. An X-Acto knife, although that might cut it. You pop those off, and it will expose two Phillips head screws. You want to take those screws out. Set them to the side. With the little rubber bumpers. The best way I know to get the screen off is really just to put your fingers underneath, and there's pops there. It will pop out all the way around. You just be patient. Pop it out slowly. The bottom always seems to be a little bit tighter. It's okay though, just be patient and work with it. And the pieces will come out nicely. Sometimes the hinges pop off, but they pop right back on. Set that to the side as well. You'll see two screws at the top, two Phillips head screws that you'll want to remove. Set these screws to the side as well, as you'll need them again in just a moment. With just these two top screws removed, the panel then comes out of the frame. Notice that it has a cable attached, kind of a ribbon cable if you will. It is taped on to the back. Most likely you'll want to lift up that tape carefully, pull it back just a little, and then the ribbon cable will then unplug from the back of the screen, the damaged screen. We then will take the two catches here, the two mounting brackets I'll call them. They're screwed into the panel. You'll want to unscrew them as well, because we're going to put these back on the new panel. Okay, set the old panel to the side, get the new panel, make sure the orientation is that the connector goes down. You want to take these mounting connectors and screw them onto the new panel. Without dropping them and losing them, of course. There's one. And here's two. Now with the protective screen still on the screen, normally it's okay just to lay that down gently on the keyboard. Pull the tape back that attaches that, because you'll be pulling that off. pulling it back before you install. Now carefully insert the ribbon connector back into the panel. It should, if you line up the pins carefully, it should slide right in. Then you'll want to replace the tape back down, securing that back where it was. Pull back the tabs on the cover so that it doesn't go behind. Then lift the screen back into place. Leave that on. Reinstall the screws that mount the screen itself. Back into the top of your case. Take the protective cover off that it was shipped with a nice new screen. Now you will want to reinstall the plastic bezel, we'll call it, the housing here. That tab is popped out and not wanting to stay on. We're going to persuade it a little. And then the screen bezel, if you will, you hear it snapping back in. You want to press it back in all the way around. Gentle but solid pressure. You will feel it lock in. Closes and opens nicely. Then you'll just want to reinstall the two screws at the bottom that you removed. Replace the rubber bumpers over the screws. We will reinstall the battery. Power on, and there we have it. Very nice, newly replaced laptop screen, ASUS X44H. Thanks, have a great day.